Okay, children listen. Exercise 7.5 from integral we are starting. So integrate. What is this? Integrate rational functions in the exercise 1 to 21. Okay, 1 to 21. Right. First question I'm taking pa integral x divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2 into dx. They asked to integrate. Okay, so that I am giving integral and dx. Okay, right. Let's take this is I is equal to, right pa. Listen ma, see the denominator in factorization format. Have you noticed it? Right. Compared to the denominator, the numerator degree is smaller. That is I said. The degree must be smaller than the denominator. Then only we can apply the partial fraction I said. Okay. Yes, this is in the correct format. Then take the question x divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2, which is equal to a by first part, that is x plus 1 plus b divided by x plus 2. This is the partial fraction general format. Later we have to simplify this. Okay, so this you take a 1. Now when you simplify means you take cross multiply. So what I am getting, a into x plus 2 plus b into x plus 1 whole divided by this will multiply each other, which means x plus 1 and x plus 2, and here x divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2. So when you cancel this, what I am getting ma, it will cancel. Am I right my dear? It will cancel, denominator will cancel. Then what I have remaining, x is equal to a into x plus 2 plus b into x plus 1. Okay, right. So this one we have to simplify, which means see, you can multiply the a, already we have done, right? Equating coefficient of x square constant also you can go, or else we can put equal to 0 these things. What is that? X plus 2 equal to 0, x plus 1 equal to 0. If you do not, you will be getting the required. Now what is that? Put first x plus 1 equal to 0, then what I am getting, this implies x is equal to what? Minus 1. X equal to what my dear? Minus 1. So that left hand side, this is you take answer number 2. So that 2 implies, so left hand side x is minus 1, just we have x bar. So x, instead of x I am giving minus 1, which is equal to a into x plus 2 is there. So x value minus 1 plus 2, okay, plus b into x plus 1, what do we know? X plus 1, what do we know? X plus 1 is a 0, we know. X plus 1 is 0. Directly you can apply 0. When you simplify, here we have a minus 1, a into minus 1 plus 2, na, it will be 1, b into 0, 0, leave it. Then what I am getting, a value pa? Yeah, a value what I am getting? Minus 1. We got it. So one more, what is that? Put, yes, next x plus 2 equal to 0. So which one I am giving? Whatever is multiplying with the constant a and b, that is I am making equal to 0. So, okay, right. So this implies x equal to minus 2 you will be getting. Then 2 implies x value minus 2 in the left hand side, a into what we have? X plus 2. X plus 2 value what? 0. X plus 2 equal to what we have? 0. So directly 0 you can. And b into x value what we have? X value what we have? Minus 2. Here we have x value what we have? Minus 2 plus 1. Now simplify. Minus 2 equal to a into 0, 0, leave it, and b into minus 2 plus 1, na, you will be getting minus 1. Minus minus cancelled, na, b value 2. B value what I am getting? 2. Take the a value, b value, substitute here. Substitute here, directly you can integrate. Okay, substitute here, directly you can integrate. So 1 implies, so 1 actually what na, x divided by x plus 1, x plus 2, which is equal to a value what we got? Minus 1 divided by x plus 1, plus b value what we got? 2 divided by x plus 2. That's it. Okay, have you noticed it? Now you can apply integral on both the side. When you apply integral on both the side, so that you will be getting this is integral. I applied on both the side. Now apply the integral separately. So integral minus 1 minus you can take outside, minus 1 divided by x plus 1 into dx. Like that 2 also you take outside, so that 1 divided by x plus 2 into dx, which is look like a what format? Can you tell me, anyone? Children, what formula you can use here? Have you noticed it? When you differentiate denominator, what is happening? I'm getting the numerator. See, x, yes, log of denominator. Here also, x when I differentiate, I'm getting the numerator. X derivative 1, 2 derivative 0. So when I differentiate denominator, I'm getting numerator. So that what I can say this, log of denominator, which means x plus 1. Okay, plus 2 into this one, what we can do? Log of x plus 2. Okay, plus c. This is our answer. You can stop here, or little you can simplify this, or what na, this 2 you can take here. Am I right? What is the formula that is? What is the formula that is 2 if you take there now? What is formula? Have you remember? N log a equal to what formula? Log a power n. This formula I'm going to use. Okay, if I use that formula, minus of log x plus 1, 2 if you take numerator na, log of x plus 2 the whole square plus c. Now again, which is look like a what formula? Log a minus log b equal to what formula? Log a minus log b. Sorry. Log a minus log b is equal to log a by b. Okay, log a by b. This is what actually minus for what function we have, that you have to give denominator. Minus we have for the first function only. So that this you can write that log of x plus 2 whole square divided by x plus 1. This is you can write plus c. So I don't know book bag answer is what. Book bag either they gave this one or the last one, I don't know. Last one they gave. Okay, this is our required answer, which is I is equal. Okay, I equal. Have you understand, Raja? Is this okay? This is we have done by with help of partial fraction. Okay. So this question they may ask either 2 mark, 3 mark. Simple question only. If you have a luck na 3 mark, that's it. First page have you done pa? First page. So second question. Second question you can go either what is that partial fraction, or directly formula also we have. What formula can you tell me, anyone? What formula for this? X square. Tell me what formula? A plus b. X square minus a square into dx. Formula what you said? 1 by 2a. Okay, 1 by 2a log of what is that? X minus a divided by x plus a. That formula you have to use. That is I'm going to give. So 1 by, okay, 1 by, can I write here itself? 1 by 2 times a log of denominator what? X plus a va? Numerator x minus a. This is formula which I am going to use. Have you remembered this formula? I gave already, I am right, this formula. Okay, this one. Either go by this or else partial fraction na, integral 1 divided by 3 square you can write. So that you will be getting x plus 3 into x minus 3. If you go na, with help of lot of steps, final answer you will be getting like this format. Okay, or directly formula format we can go na, directly formula we can go, because if you are writing in the examination time, you may not aware of that which is belongs to what exercise. So directly idea you will be applying them, right? So directly you can go with idea. Okay. So integral 1 divided by x square let it be 9 we can write as 3 square. Okay, 9 we can write as 3 square into dx. So which is look like the format surely. Which is look like this format. So what is the a value children here? Anyone? What is a value asked? 3. Okay. So 1 by 2 into a value 3 log of x minus a value 3 divided by x plus a 3 plus c. So that 2 3s are 6 log x minus 3 divided by x plus 3. That's it. Very easily we have done. Suppose if you are doing partial fraction, surely it may come like a previous question how we have done the same pages, same number of steps it will take. Finally, when you comes to the end of the answer, you will be getting this. Surely you will be getting this. Okay, which is I equal to. Okay, that's it. I hope you understand the second little easy. Then the first one. Okay, but next we will go to next page. That is what for third question. For third question, listen. I is equal to integral 3x minus 1 divided by x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3. There is 3 terms in denominator. One more thing you want to note down that denominator degree is a big compared to the numerator. Then which is in correct format, surely you can use what actually partial fraction. Okay. So that take the question 3x without integral you should take 3x minus 1 divided by x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3 which is equal to a divided by x minus 1, b divided by x minus 2, c divided by x minus 3. Okay, wow. Now we have to simplify this. Raja, do you know how to take LCM when we have a 3 terms? Do you have idea? How we'll be doing? We have to multiply everything and write first. Right, okay. Then what we have to do? A into, listen, from this 3, which is not here, that you have to multiply in a numerator, that is LCM. Which is missing? That both you multiply. X minus 2 is missing and x minus 3 is missing. Plus B into, here what is missing? X minus 1 and x minus 3. Both is missing. That you multiply. X minus 1 into x minus 3. And in the C term, what is missing, pa? Yes, x minus 1 into x minus 2. This is the way to take LCM when we have a 3 terms. Okay. And left hand side, whatever we have, write as it is, ma. And it will cancel the denominator. Now both the side. Okay. This both denominator will cancel. Then what is remaining, that you can write as it is, that is 3x minus 1 which is equal to, yes, a into x minus 2, x minus 3 plus b into x minus 1, x minus 3, c into x minus 1, x minus 2. This I am taking answer number 2. First splitting I am taking answer number 1 because there only we have to apply all the a, b, c value. 2 only for finding a, b and c value. Okay, right, fine. First put, what is that? X minus 1, yeah, 1 equal to 0, which means x is equal to what I am getting, pa? 1 I am getting. X equal to what I am getting, pa? 1 I am getting. Okay, right. Children, listen. So that x minus 1, x minus 1 equal to 0, now that 2 implies 2 became what you see? X value 1, then 3 into 1, 3 minus 1 equal to, here, there is no x minus 1 term. So you have to apply then carefully. A into 1 minus 2 what, pa? 1 minus 2 what, pa? Minus 1. 1 minus 3 what, pa? Minus 2, right. So other 2 term will become what, ma? 0 and 0. Reason, there is x minus 1 term here. Here also x minus 1 term. Because x minus 1 only we assumed 0. Then that will become 0. So directly I gave 3 minus 1, it will be 2, which is equal to a into 1 minus 1 into minus 2 plus 2 you will be getting. When I cancel 2 to a value I am getting as a 1. A value I am getting as a 1. Right. Like that we'll go to next part. Put x minus 2 equal to 0. See, whatever we have, the denominator whatever we have, that is I am giving 1 by 1 equal to 0. Okay. So x minus 2 equal to 0 now. What is x equal to 2? What is x equal to 2? That you apply in the answer number 2. So in 2 when you apply, listen, x value 2 na, here you have to apply. 3 2s are 6. So 6 minus 1 you will be getting. What I am getting? 6 minus 1 equal to, here x minus 2 is there. Here also x minus 2. Then a term, c term will become 0. Sir, listen sir. Wherever we have x minus 2 term, that will become 0 sir. Okay. In a term there is x minus 2. So a term will be 0. In c term also there is x minus 2. So c term also will be 0. Then only b term will be there. Okay. So be careful when you apply. So a term 0. And b term alone will be there. B term what na? X minus 1. So 2 minus 1, 1. Next 2 minus 3, minus 1. Then c term will be 0. Be careful when you simplify. 6 minus 1, 5, which is equal to b into minus 1. Yeah, 1 into minus 1, minus 1. Then minus 5 is equal to b. B value minus 5. Okay. Next term. Next term what na? What is that? Put yes, x minus 3 equal to 0. This implies x is equal to 3. Okay. Now 2 became what? The answer 2 became. Here listen, x value 3. 3 when you apply instead of x. 3 3s are 9. 9 minus 1? 8. Or else you write 9 minus 1. One step. 9 minus 1 you write, which is equal. Now listen, where all you have x minus 3 term? A and b term will become 0. Because here we have x minus 3. Here also x minus 3. X minus 3 we assumed 0, right? Then 0 into anything 0. So a term, b term will become 0 then. A term, b term 0. So a term 0, b term 0 plus c. C will be as it is. Because c there is no x minus 3. So x minus 3 equal to 0 now. X value 3. So 3 minus 1, 2. Then 3 minus 2, 1. Right. Now 9 minus 1 na 8, which is 2 times c. Then c value 4. That's it. So we got all the values of A, B, C. A, B, C we got. So take all the A, B, C values, substitute in answer number 1. Then you will be getting the required. Okay. I hope you understand whatever we have done. So I'm going 1 implies what? 3x minus 1 divided by x minus 1, x minus 2 and x minus 3. Okay. Which is equal to, here what we have? A by means what ma? 1 by x minus 1. Next plus b value what? Minus 5 divided by x minus 2 plus c value what Raja? 4, plus 4. Okay, plus 4 divided by x minus 3. Now apply integral on both the side. Into dx will be coming. Here also integral into dx will be coming. That's it. Now apply integral separately, you will be getting the required. Okay. So this side I is equal to, because the question only we assumed I here. Okay. So I is equal to integral 1 divided by x minus 1 into dx, minus 5 if you take outside, 1 divided by x minus 2 into dx, 4 if you take outside, integral 1 divided by x minus 3 into dx. Now if you take what is that integral now, you will be getting what all? This all applicable what ma denominator. If you differentiate, I am getting numerator. X derivative 1, 1 derivative 0. Like that here also x derivative 1, 2 derivative 0. Leave it. Here also what? Next also x minus 3 also x derivative 1, minus 3 derivative 0. So everything you can write what? Log of denominator. So that log of modulus x minus 1 minus 5 into log of x minus 2 plus 4 into 4 into log of modulus x minus 3 plus c. You can stop here, surely they will accept, or else you can simplify that formula also. Okay, formula says what? And the 4 5 you can take, 4 also you can take, like this. Shall we? We'll try, huh? So that log of x minus 1, let it be minus, it is there. 5 when you take numerator na, x minus 5, sorry, x minus 2 whole power 5, x minus 2 whole power 5, even though modulus you have to give, because 5 is even, sorry, odd power. And log of x minus 3 whole power 4, right? Now you can apply the formula, whatever in addition you can multiply in the log. Okay, so that log of x minus 1 into x minus 3 whole power 4 minus whatever we have, that you should write in denominator. So x minus 2 whole power 5, together you can give modulus plus c. Okay, that's it. Or else modulus, if you don't want to give this also, okay, because power 4 is even. This is final answer, my answer, or you can stop before 3 step also, they will accept. What is book bag they gave, Raja? So here they didn't simplify, so they stopped here, it seems. In the textbook they stopped here, it seems. That is our wish, I said. Okay, if you do extra also, they will consider, not a problem. I said for simplification they will not reduce mark. Okay, final answer if you bring, they will accept. Right, fast pa. Next question number 4 will start pa. Question number 4, integral I is equal to integral x divided by x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3. Can you take homework this question? Same like a previous, same x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3. Have you noticed? Denominator same, Raja, you see. Same denominator, x minus 1, x minus 2. Here we have a very big number, 3x minus 1. There they given only x. Just x is there, little easy only. What did you say? You people take homework, okay? Fifth one will go. Fifth one will go. Next question number 5 I said. So I is equal to integral 2x divided by x square plus 3x plus 2 into dx. Children, listen, when I am giving introduction for partial fraction, I said a denominator, if possible to factorize, na, we can go by partial fraction, I said. Suppose if you are not able to factorize, na, we have to go by what method I said? Have you remember? Numerator, whatever we have, that you have to take px plus q equal to a into derivative of denominator plus b. Have you remember this method, ma? If not able to factorize, you have to go this method. Okay, this is you have to do. But now we can able to what actually? We can able to what? Factorize. So not an issue. We can go. Okay. So what is the number we have? Product number 2, addition number 3, means coefficient of what is that? X is the sum value. Okay. And coefficient of x square constant, if you product, na, that is the product value. This is the 2. Children, listen, coefficient of x square 1, constant 2, 1 2s are 2. Like that only you want to do product. Sum value what? Coefficient of x is the sum value. Understand? This is the I factorization. So 1 2s are 2. This together when you product, I am getting here. When you add, I am getting here. Then we can apply the factorization. Okay. So what I am getting then? I is equal to, we can write 2x divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2. Now which is like a first question model. Have you noticed it? The given question I converted into partial fraction format. Okay. Now you can do this. Take that 2x divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2. Okay, which is equal to a divided by x plus 1 plus b divided by x plus 2. Right. Now you can simplify, which means take cross multiply. Take cross multiply, a into x plus 2 When we have a 2 term, not an issue, you can take cross multiply. If you have a 3 term, now you can take like a proper LCM format. Denominator, you have to bring same like that. Okay. Now left hand side 2x divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2. Now you can cancel the denominator. When we have a same, you can cancel. Okay. Now what we have, numerator 2x, which is equal to a into x plus 2 plus b into x plus 1. This is answer number 2. Answer number 2 you have to simplify. Okay. After simplify you will be getting. First put x plus 1 equal to 0. Means the denominator whatever we have, that is we have to give equal to 0 I said. Okay. Right. So that this implies x is equal to what I am getting? Minus 1. X equal to what I am getting? Minus 1. Okay. Minus 1. Now take 2. 2 implies. So in the, what is that, left hand side of the equation 2, we have 2x, which means 2 2s are, sorry, 2 into minus 1, 2 into x, which is equal to a into x plus 2. X value what? Minus 1. So minus 1 plus 2 na, plus 1 I am getting, and b, x plus 1 only we have assumed 0, so that it will become 0. Okay. This will be 0, children. Now minus 2, which is equal to a, b term will be 0, that you will have it. That's it. Now we'll go next term, that is what, put x plus 2, which is equal to 0. X plus 2 means here the second number. Sir, here second number I am using, x plus 2 equal to 0. So that this implies x equal to minus 2. Then 2 implies, so 2 into minus 2, which is equal to, what is that, a into x plus 2 we assumed 0, so that a into 0 plus b into x value what actually minus 2. So minus 2 plus 1 na, what I am getting? Minus 1. So 2 into minus 2 minus 4, which is equal to minus b, minus minus when you cancel, b value 4 I am getting, b value 4. Now a value, b value both you apply in answer number 1, my dear, you will be getting the required. Okay, you will be getting the required. Now little do it fast. 1 implies, Raja, 1 implies what I am getting? 2x divided by 2x divided by x plus 1 and x plus 2, which is equal to a value minus 2 divided by what we have here, x plus 1 plus b value 4 divided by x plus 2. Ma, this one I have written here as it is. Just I applied a value, b value. Okay. Now take integral on both the side, ma, it will be over. That's it. When you apply integral, it will be over. Take minus 2 outside, pa. 1 divided by x plus 1 into dx. Like that 4 you take outside, ma. X plus 2 into dx. Now minus 2 into log of denominator. When you differentiate numerator, sorry, denominator I am getting numerator. Same manner this also. What is that? Log of denominator. Okay. So you can stop here surely, or else you can simplify with help of log term also. We can stop here. Enough. Okay, children. Are you understand, pa? Okay, pa. Thank you, ma. Next, we'll come with the next video in one more session.